How's it going, everyone? I'm Sachin. I am the Superstar Branding Coach. I teach coaches, practitioners, and consultants how to use social media to generate leads for their businesses. Now, one of the most important things that we can cover to start off with is, why does my business need to be on social media, Sachin? I'm not 17. I'm not trying to win a popularity contest, and so on and so on. Let me say this right now. Let's get this out of the way. If you're not on social media, your business doesn't exist. And I will say it one more time. Let me say it one more time for you right now. I said, if your business is not on social media, you don't exist. Traditional media is dead. CNN, BBC, they don't want you to know this thing, but it's not a secret anymore. Their attention has been siphoned away from them onto platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, SoundCloud, Spotify, you name it. They have all taken the attention away from these mainstream media sources. Now people like us don't need to go through these traditional routes to generate leads for our businesses. We can actively create them ourselves. Then how are we going to do that? Well, you don't need to vlog your whole lifestyle and show people what you're doing every day and why you should be paying attention to them, or they should be paying attention to you. All you need to do is do one very simple thing. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? All you need to do is give context. Your content that you put out, so videos, podcasts, blog posts, is their context on you, on whether your business is right for them. And how are we going to do that? How do we provide a great level of context for someone? Well, like I do in the beginning of these videos, I say, I'm Sachin, I'm the Superstar Branding Coach, so you know who I am. You know where I'm coming from, why is all this important? Why is this relevant for you? I tell you, I teach coaches, practitioners, and consultants how to use social media to generate leads for their businesses. So you know, if you're a coach, practitioner, consultant, or a business owner, you know that this would be relevant for you. And then after that, I tell you why, the value of the video becomes obvious. I'm talking today about why you need to be on social media. So I've given someone a very deep level of context in the beginning of the video. So they don't have to waste their time from then on to decide, well, is this right for me? Should I listen to the guy with the beard and hope something works out? You don't have to do that. Now, what we do as business owners, when we write a blog post, when we post a podcast, when we make videos, all we need to do is show somebody that we can solve a problem that they might be experiencing. And if they're not, that's absolutely fine. You can move on. There's probably a billion other videos you could be watching right now. If you're not on these platforms, you're leaving enormous amounts of money on the table. And it's just, fair enough, do it if you want. I mean, I'm more than happy to take it off you. I'm more than happy to collect that money that you're leaving on the table. But, I don't want to work with everyone and anyone. I'd like to work with the people that resonate with me. So when I post my content on social media, I'm generating warm leads. People who are saying, yeah, I like that, Sachin. I'd like to hear more. I like what you said on Instagram here. I like that you answered my question in this live video. Now these leads are not cold. Now we're not reaching out to people randomly trying to find someone who would listen to what we say. Now we've generated interest in what we do. So when we get this person on the phone, it's much easier to have a conversation with them about what we have to offer them. I hope that makes sense for you. The other thing that we need to keep in mind is that if we are on these platforms, the only goal we have is to give value, to give the answers to people's questions that makes us a subject matter authority. I don't have to go and look up in some book or ask someone else how to generate leads for my business using social media, because I am a practitioner. I've been doing it for the last couple of years, and I'm going to keep doing it because it's a lot of fun. If you create content that's valuable for others and they want to hear what you have to say next time, they will follow you, they will comment, they will like, they will subscribe, and they will share your videos in their community. So again, the most important reason why you're on this platform is to give value, and that generates leads for your business. When people get the value from the video and want to hear more, then you follow up with them yourselves. This is a lot easier than having to go out on the street and ask people, do you need a life coach? Do you need a chiropractor? Oh my God, this is exhausting. I'm not surprised. So I hope that answers your question. If you do have any other questions, I would very heavily encourage you to follow me on Instagram. Send me a question, send me a message, send me what would you like me to cover in the next video. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. I'd like to offer you a free gift. For a very limited time only, I'm offering free strategy sessions to anyone who DMs me on Instagram. So hit those 3 dots in the corner, send me a message. What would you like to discuss in our strategy session? What is your business? What are you having trouble with at the moment? Let's get on the phone. Let me help you to help yourself. And stop leaving so much money on the table. Life's way too short to just pay your bills and die. Okay, that's enough from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.